Today I'm going to show you how to make a teddy bear out of a Norwex body and face cloth. So you need a Norwex body and face cloth, 2 small rubber bands, a large rubber band, and a ribbon. First you're going to roll one side into the middle. Just grab something heavy to hold it down, and then go ahead and roll in the other side. Now you're going to take it and flip it over. Twist the left side. This is going to form the legs. Then fold down the right side. This is going to make the arms, head, and body. Spread the arms out just a little bit. Take your rubber band and wrap it around the middle so that this separates the body and the head. Now grab your 2 smaller rubber bands, pinch up at the top to make the ears. And then go ahead and even out his head and face just a little bit. Straighten out the arms how you like it. Grab that piece of ribbon and tie it around his neck to make a sweet little bow. And you've got a perfect little gift out of a Norwex body and face cloth, an adorable little body and face cloth teddy bear.